In the world of cybersecurity, it feels like defenders are always playing catch-up. Well, we're going to look at a powerful new AI tool from Anthropic today called Claude Code Security, and honestly, it's designed to give those defenders a much-needed critical new advantage in this high-stakes race.
But, to really get why this new tool is such a big deal, we have to understand the problem first. For decades, it's just felt like security pros are locked in a race they just can't win. So let's ask the big question. Why are they always playing from behind?
Well, the heart of the issue really is a simple but kind of brutal numbers game. In the industry, they call it the vulnerability overload. I mean, just think about it for a second. Every single piece of software has potential weaknesses, and the amount of code being written today is just staggering. Security teams are literally drowning in these massive, ever-growing backlogs of potential threats, and there just are not enough skilled people to keep up. Okay, so you might be thinking, hey, don't we have automated tools for this stuff? And yeah, we do. They're called static analysis tools. They're helpful for sure, but they've got this one fundamental weakness. See, they work by looking for known patterns, like spotting a password that's accidentally been left exposed. But they completely, totally miss the subtle, context-dependent flaws, which, of course, are often the most dangerous ones. Simply put, they just can't find what they haven't been programmed to look for.
And this is where the problem gets even more serious. The very same AI technology that can help us, it's also creating a whole new kind of threat, giving the attackers a huge advantage. And this really highlights the huge shift we're seeing. Over on the left, you've got the old way, rule-based reactive tools. But on the right, that's the new AI approach. Instead of just matching patterns, this new model actually reasons about the code, a lot like a human security expert would. It's on the hunt for those complex flaws in business logic, the kind of stuff a simple pattern matcher would never, ever see. It's really the difference between being reactive and being proactive. So to fight this new kind of AI-powered attack, you need a new kind of defender. And that's where Anthropic's solution comes in. Let's meet Claude Code Security. So what is it? Essentially, it's a new capability that doesn't just find the problems, it actively suggests the fixes. It's designed to scan entire code bases and pinpoint vulnerabilities that all those traditional tools just miss, and then it gives developers a direct path to patching them. So how in the world does it actually do this? Well, it's not just scanning for keywords or something simple like that. It's built to think, or at least to reason, like a top-tier security researcher. The whole process is actually fascinating. First, Claude reads and truly understands the code, like how data's moving around and how all the components are interacting. Then, and this part is key, it does this multi-stage self-verification, where it tries to prove or disprove its own findings. That's how it filters out the false alarms. After that, it rates how severe the issue is, suggests a specific patch to fix it, and then it just waits. And that brings us to maybe the most important principle of the whole thing. This is a human-in-the-loop system. The AI finds and suggests, but the developer, the human expert, always makes the final call. This isn't about replacing developers, it's about empowering them. It's a massive difference. Okay, this all sounds great, but why is it so urgent? I mean, why does this matter so much right now? Well, it's because we are at a really pivotal moment in cybersecurity. A lot of people are calling it an AI arms race. The reality of it is pretty stark. The bad actors are absolutely going to be using AI to find vulnerabilities way faster than any human possibly could. So the only way to counter that is for the defenders to use AI to find and fix those exact same weaknesses before they can be exploited. It's a race, plain and simple. So the big question, does it actually work? Well, Anthropic put it to the test on real-world open-source software. We're talking code that has been picked apart by experts for years. The number of vulnerabilities it found was just staggering, over 500. But it's not just the number, it's what it found. These were not simple typos. These were actual bugs in production code that had gone completely undetected, in some cases for decades. And that's despite years and years of review by human experts. I mean, that is just a stunning testament to what this new capability can do. And that really leads to the ultimate vision here. The goal isn't just to sell a product. It's about fundamentally raising the bar for security across the entire software industry, making all of our digital lives and infrastructure safer by default. Which brings us right back to the final, crucial question.
We are stepping into a brand new era where AI is the main weapon for both attack and defense. With tools like Claude Code Security now in the hands of the defenders, the race is well and truly on. The question is no longer if AI will transform cybersecurity, but who is going to win the race to use it most effectively.